Hey there and welcome to this video all about the best double end bags available on the market. If you're into boxing, kickboxing, or MMA training, you'll know that having the right equipment is crucial for developing your skills and becoming a better fighter. And one piece of equipment that can really help you improve your technique and timing is a double end bag. Double end bags are great for improving your hand-eye coordination, footwork, and accuracy. They can help you develop faster reflexes, improve your punching power and speed, and even help you build endurance. But with so many different double end bags on the market, it can be hard to know which one to choose. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the best double end bags available today. We'll explore the different features and benefits of each one, and help you decide which one is right for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a double end bag out there that's perfect for your needs. Number 1. BOXERPOINT Double End Bag. The BOXERPOINT Double End Bag is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their boxing skills. This top-of-the-line kit includes everything you need for a complete workout, including a PU leather double end bag, 2 adjustable cords, hand wraps, and an air pump. The elastic straps allow boxers to customize the height of the bag according to their needs. This kit is perfect for beginner boxers and veterans alike looking to stay in shape at home. The durable quality of this kit ensures it will provide hours of entertainment for all levels of experience. Whether you're training or just having fun, this punch bag will surely give you an intense workout every time. Number 2. FREIDO Double End Bag. The FREIDO Double End Bag is the perfect addition to any home gym. This punching ball is built to last, constructed from durable PU cowhide leather, lined with 4 layers of polycotton material, and reinforced with triangle seams and a tight gas nozzle designed for easy inflation. The set has a double end ball, 2 reflex balls, a pump, and a headband. The reflex balls are lighter and softer than tennis balls, making them suitable for any age group. Their lightweight design enables lightning-fast rebounds and provides an interesting workout while enhancing reflexes, agility, punching speed, fighting skill, and hand-eye coordination. All you need to do is provide a suitable place to hang the punching ball and adjust its height according to your height. You can then use the 2 bungee cords supplied with the set to fix it in its desired position securely. Number 3. CLETO REYES Double End Bag. The CLETO REYES Double End Bag is designed with the utmost craftsmanship and the highest quality materials, making it the perfect addition to any boxing enthusiast's home gym. Manufactured in Mexico under the strictest conditions, this speed bag will last. The leather and nylon linings are premium grade, providing a durable punching surface with excellent absorbency for maximum power with every punch. Whether you're a fitness junkie or a professional boxer, you'll find that this double end bag is an essential exercise tool, helping to build muscle strength and stamina as well as burning calories and toning the upper body. This bag can also be used for any level of boxing, as its weight and size are perfectly balanced to suit a beginner's needs or a competitive fighter's demands. A one-size-fits-all design ensures that everyone can take advantage of its benefits. This bag guarantees excellent results quickly by giving boxers the strength and agility they need to excel in their sport. Number 4. MaxxMMA Double End Bag. The MaxxMMA Double End Bag is excellent for improving hand-to-eye coordination and reflexes. The punching bag contains a heavy-duty spring that can bounce back even after taking plenty of punishment, making it an ideal choice for all kinds of punches, slips, and counters. What makes this kit stand out are the included accessories: a base, 1 pair of gloves, a pump, and a door frame fixer. The base ensures the bag is stable while striking, while gloves provide safety. The pump allows you to inflate the punching bag up to your desired level of firmness, making it more realistic and enjoyable. The door frame fixer is handy for users without dedicated stands for their punching bags. It is an excellent choice for those looking to train like professional boxers without spending thousands of dollars on expensive equipment. Number 5. Ringside Double End Bag. The Ringside Double End Bag is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their punching bag setup. This bag uses durable, high-quality leather with enough padding to handle the most brutal punches. Not only is it strong and resistant to blows, but the addition of genuine leather also provides a unique, classic look that any boxer will appreciate. The double end bag also comes with a convenient setup. It includes 2 steel swivel attachments and adjustable laces at both ends, allowing users to mount the bag on the wall and adjust their position according to their needs. Another great feature of this punching bag is its multiple layers of foam, which absorbs shock better than most other bags. Its impressive strength, durability, and comfort combination make it worthwhile.